Hi everyone, today we have a new video. Today we are going to unbox this new product here. As you can see, the Mi Watch. I'm a big fan of Xiaomi products, and as you can see here I have the power bank Redmi, this one. I really recommend. It can charge your phone up to 4 times. It's 20,000 milliampere. And also here I have the AirPods. I use them most of the day, so I can even talk to my friends or listen to music. So those are the AirPods. Also, I have been using the Mi Band 3 for almost 2 or 3 years. And today I'm upgrading to the Mi Watch. So I have already opened this product, but here I'm going to unboxing in front of you. So let me open this. So here we have the watch. As you can see, I have already started the watch, and down here you can see that we have this QR code. Using this QR code, you can scan it and install the application that you are going to connect to your phone. It will redirect you to the Play Store where you can find the application, and from here you can charge your Mi Watch. Here, as you can see, it's very clean, very beautiful and elegant. I changed the default screen to this one. First, let's see the charger and what else contains this box. So this is the warranty notice. Okay, let me get this here, and here we have the charger. As you can see, completely different from the Mi Band chargers. And last we have here this book, how to use the smart watch. It contains a lot of stuff, like here how you can put the watch on your hand, how you can charge it in different language. So here let's open the menu and see what this watch contains. Here we have notification. Here you can see the heartbeats, the charge, sleep data, the weather, 30-minute relaxed. I have used this watch half of the day. This will measure the blood oxygen in blood. This will play the music and stop it. I didn't have this. Didn't have this feature and in Mi Band, and I really wanted to have this, especially when I go for running. The steps, the stress, and if you click one more time here, we have this menu, and here you can see the history and a lot of other stuff. You can even stop and the camera when you connect it to your phone. Here we have alarm, compass, flash. So like that in the night you can use it as a flash. From here you can change the watch faces. As you can see here, this is maybe a default one. There are a lot of other screens, and in the application you can download other screens. So here you can adjust the brightness level, do not distribute mode, raise to awake, workout, activity reminder. You can even set password and Bluetooth reminder, display vibration, standard or even enhanced, the notification, the clock type, the system, and even the language. So you can reboot here, power off, or reset your watch. And here down you can click this sport menu and you will activate what are you doing, like outdoor running, walking, treadmill, trekking, trail run, etc. So let me wear this one. I will always keep this with me. This have been with me for almost 3 years, and this beautiful new one, I will just close it. So beautiful, as you can see in my hand. I'm going to use this for 10 or 15 days and I will get back to you with a new review, and maybe if this is the heartbeat, and if you want, let's change. I'm in love with this screen saver, so I will just change it for now and I will go back to it. So let me go here, watch face, and let me go for this one. So this is the one here, so beautiful for night, maybe driving. And let's go back, choose maybe this one that I have downloaded earlier. So this was the review. It's so beautiful, so easy to use, and it contains a lot of activities. And as I told you, in 15 days I will go back to you with the charge review, the use, the notification, etc. Thank you.